same arcade center right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what a Purikura is like. Really loud. How would you describe Purikura? Literally it means Purinto Kurabu, but it means Purinto Kurabu, and it's like a photo booth basically. And they make you really kind of scary almost, because they have larger eyes. I'm gonna show you. These are all the photo booths. It's not like those typical movie photo booths that you'll see at movie theaters. These are next level. We just did one. It's kind of scary. This one wasn't that good, to be honest. We didn't have time to decorate at all. This is last year. Yeah, these are stickers basically, so you can cut them out and stick it on if you wanted to. At an arcade, you'll find a whole section of Purikura, and most of them is kind of sexist, but it's for females only, so like guys can't come in unless you're with a girl.
It's like a stigma. You don't.
Yeah. We're gonna do another one, numero dos, because this one was eh. This one was called Around 20, and we're all in our 20s, so we thought it was gonna be perfect, but it's a nay for us. Also, they have an area where you can check how you look, your hair, your makeup, and scissors for if you need to cut your Purikura. This is the whole arcade area. It's so loud. It's like too much stimuli going on, to be honest. Which one are we feeling? This place is huge. All Purikura is about 400 yen, which is like $4.
Yeah.
This place is huge.
we all get the lower
But it's huge. Lighting is 12 out of 10. I appreciate all this lighting going
We should
on.
just take a regular selfie.
But yeah, anyways, it's 400 yen. This one is for like huge groups of people.
Next time you should come here.
So if it's a lot, the other one was like meant for 2 people, I guess. There's 3 of us. So we're like, oh, what do we do? But see, look at this. You can change the level of where you want the camera to be. Like this physically moves. And then you got a touch panel thing right over here. So you can like do everything, touch it all in, type it in.
It's just showing like how to do it.
Got a video tutorial on how to take pictures. We're gonna start shooting. Okay, there's this thing is so extra, you can literally physically put your phone down and like record you doing it. Okay, they're teaching us how to use the camera. Shoot! Wow!
You're tallest. You're tallest. Yeah, you are.
Oh my god, it's so cute! It's so cute! We're like moving, we're literally moving everything. Isn't that so cool, guys? And then the camera here. Wait, guys, I love this. Okay, now we're moving it again. It like flashes where you should do it, but you can ultimately choose where you want it to be.
Oh my god.
Oh, we're done. That was fun. Guys, what do you think so far?
Oh, so fun.
This one is so fun.
We have to go to the
Now we get to doodle. Oh my god! Wait, their live photos are actually moving. This is so extra.
Wait.
I love it. This thing is so lit. Now Zoe and Lauren are doing it so you can crop the photos.
This is fine.
Now we're gonna doodle on it. So we have pen filter, frame, text,
Ooh, we love
stamp stickers, and you can doodle on it so you can like write on it physically. It's kind of scary because they enlarge your eyes. Yeah, but you know, we're past that.
Yeah.
It's really cute though. I really like this one. So now we're editing away. far. I did this one, EFFL, Tea Factory, because that's our group chat name. But basically, like, these are the pens, filters. If you wanted to, you can change the add filters and change it. Which one do we like? This one looks cute.
Yeah.
But yeah, all different ones. This is fun.
We haven't been to Purikura since last October. Oh, October. We did a Halloween one because we were all cheating. Told got magic Halloween socks because they brought Halloween socks back from LA, so that was cute. But this is new, this is brand new. Yeah. If you're ever in Japan, you can do this one, I would say. Because we've done a couple of them and they're always like, kind of scary to be honest. Like, this is huge eyes, pale, like, yeah, you don't know like who is this.
You're like an alien, yeah.
Basically. But this one is like kind of like Instagram in the sense that you can add filters that are in right now. With like the
date, it's like very retro.
yeah. And then very spacious. So this one's nice.
Now we choose how we're gonna split it. I like this one. Okay. And then we're gonna send to their phone. This one. The one we don't like for the 20-year-olds is by the same company. This one is way better. Printing, it's printing. Oh my god. Out of 10, what do we rate this one?
Oh, I'm like easily like a 9.
I'm like one of those girls. I think this is the best one I've ever done. This is called, what is this called? Hashtag Aoharu? Is that the name of this? Yeah, I don't know. I think it's called Aoharu. Oh, it's here. But if you're ever in Japan, please do this. Oh, wow. Wait, it's see-through, see? Wait, this one's really cool.
Yeah.
Okay, let's cut. Now they're cutting. We are truly living Japanese college girl experience. We need to do this more often. I think it's like, I can count on one hand the amount of times I've done it since I moved to Japan. See? One hand. But here we have UFO catchers, crane games as Americans would say, but in Japan we call them UFO games. This has been our Purikura adventures. So if you're ever in Japan, hit these places up because very Japanese to be honest. You get cool stickers, so like handle souvenirs, but you're like part of it. So you can remember your time in Japan. And it's really fun. It's like a great bonding experience. And you get to like doodle, have fun with it, take great pictures, all for 400 yen. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!